Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're here with another packing video, and today's is for customer Carlos Tavares. Today's orders he placed was the VZT 149 and the VZT 113. So the VZT 149, as you can see, is the professional applicator tools for vinyl. As you see in here, it has all the squeegees that you need, all the vinyl placements. You have all the thumb. This would be like for your thumb, so you don't get no smudges on it. Another one else comes with the pin, some sponges. For the VZT 113, it is the magnets. It always comes in 6 pieces that help you with the vinyls, just in case you're doing a single job. So let's go ahead and pack this up for him. Close up this little box. As you can see, it does come in its own little tiny box. Put the magnets in, clip those together. Gifts. Vicrez bottle opener, the lanyard, go black, and then his Vicrez decal. Throw that in there for him. Go ahead and close it up. There you have it for him. Hope you enjoyed, Carlos. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook. Hit up all on YouTube. Stay tuned for more videos. See you next time.